Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and this is the second round of
This
my
is hers,
Ipsy
yeah.
versus my Birchbox, but I feel like it took forever compared to Kim's, so it's a later. I wish we could all do it at the same time, but we're going to see which one you guys think is better. So it's actually taking me longer to get this open than you.
I don't know.
And you've already seen the bag. It's fantastic. It looks like that.
I'm just like ripping this all over the place.
Anything else in there? I never get anything else in there. But while she's doing that, I will show you my first item. I have Green Clean Pharmacy
I don't remember getting that. Did I?
Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I have so many things that like remove makeup that are just like a, I don't know, like a balm thing that I'm just probably not needing another one. But if, you know, if I can use it, I will. Who knows? This is Skin Perfecting Powder by Pure Afterglow as a highlighter. Ugh. I mean, it's okay.
It's almost light enough.
I know. I just don't know. I don't know if I need more highlighters. You know, as you guys know, I often don't wear a lot of makeup.
Just a reminder, the outside of this looks like that.
I'm dropping it. I wear what I'm wearing right now, which is just like a CC cream powder and lipstick. So if it's not one of those items, it usually goes in the giveaway, which is good for you guys. This is Jensen's Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation, BB and CC and Full Coverage Foundation, and 8 Super Blocks Essence. I think it said SPF 40 on there. See, that's the kind of thing I'm like, yeah, that's what I want. That's all I want. Okay, this is Answer From, that's the name of the company. Luminous Collagen Eye Cream, Hydration and Protection. So eye cream, so as I said, I'm always going to use eye cream. I have really dry eyes and everything bad about eyes you could have, I probably have. So I'm happy about that. And then let me see. I think I've shown you this to begin with, but you guys already saw this from Kim.
I know.
It says, wait, there's more.
This is the one for Birchbox.
And then it shows everything you get on the inside that I'm already telling you about. And then, is this my last item? So far, not bad though. Ilamaspa Hydravil Rehydrating Gel. I feel like I have a bigger one of these at home, but it might be something different. But I definitely want it. If it's like a moisturizing thing, that's what I want. Cleansers, moisturizers, and like CC creams. I'd be happy. So that was pretty good for me. I'm getting better and better with Ipsy. I'm like, yes, Ipsy.
So the first thing I'm pulling out from Birchbox is Hum's gummies with benefits: glow, sweet glow, skin hydration for the ultimate glow.
If it's gummies, that would be cool. I love gummy bears.
And then Nanette Lepore, if I'm saying that right, it's a perfume.
I love perfume. Although I like the bigger sizes.
And then Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask.
I feel like you got that.
That's the one that kept me when I was trying to open it. Like, I need to...
So caution with this one, because if you don't open it like carefully, it can
metal
slice.
I want
slice your finger.
I'm just gonna do this right now. I'm gonna see if it's like this one's hard to take off. Hopefully it's not. Oh, good, not okay.
Well, I was gonna say you're lucky I'm keeping that probably. Otherwise, I'd be like, wait.
I was just trying to see if it would start to even like come off, because the one I had, which was like a bigger, either like what size is it? I don't know. Do you see it in there? The orange thing.
Oh, that's a pretty.
I don't know what size. Like a full size of it. It like totally kept me when I. And ironically, I got to cut again from my...
You got to be careful with things.
Card today. Then the Beauty Crop Lightning Crude Nourished with Pineapple and Green Tea Highlighting Cream. I feel like I own that.
It's highlighting cream?
Yes. And then Marcel
creams,
City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion.
I know. I already have like what's like a day cream to keep out outside.
That might be
bad
good
stuff, but I don't know. Like I'm really ever
the
wearing.
last thing is Manakadar, is that how you say Manakadar?
50% chance of being a giveaway.
Idyllic gel eyeliner.
Yeah, because
there's that. I don't know if I'll be able to see it.
So I probably still have like 4 unopened eyeliners that like I'm keeping, and I keep
for
putting every other eyeliner in a giveaway. But is it 6 items or 5? How many did I get?
6.
1, 2, 3. How many did I get with this one?
And I'm pretty sure like
I feel like I'm missing one because there's 4 right here.
You dropped one, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah. So just 5. So 5 versus 6. And same price for these boxes. It's usually $10.88, about $11. So let us know what you think of these. I really like what I got in here, but actually I really like this company and the perfume I like, and you know what I mean? So both are like almost a toss-up for me. And you do get one more item in that one, but maybe these are a little bit bigger, I don't know. But let us know, and if you get these yourselves, let us know what you got, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for being quick as always. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.